out to Cabo for my birthday. I'm looking a hot mess, but I'm gonna show you guys the room. So when you walk in the door, we have this huge bed. Sorry, I threw my stuff. Have this huge bed, but I'm kind of mad because it's actually a double and they just pushed it together. But whatever, I'm gonna sleep good. And then we just have this mirror right here. And then you come down here and there is a little just living room area, couch, TV. We already started with my Chardonnay for me Chardonnay. And then we have this beautiful, I'm just gonna show y'all a little bit. Oh my god, I cannot get this open. Then we have this beautiful view. Look, you guys, this is our resort. And from my room, you can see the arch right there. And then this is one of the main pools. This is so amazing. Then they have like a bar over there. Oh my god. So we're about to go to the pool, guys. This is what I'm wearing. I just have like a nude bathing suit under. And then this cover up I've had for a long time. But I think it's from Windsor. And then just these like rose gold sandals. And then my black fanny pack. And then I'm putting some black sunglasses on and my Chardonnay. Cheers, you guys. I have a surprise for the girls. I've already like unpacked half my stuff because I just like to be organized. But I bought these hats. We don't have to wear them, but just like maybe place them in a photo. But they're these black hats and they say do not disturb on them. They're really cute. Or just like place them beside us. I got these from Fashion Nova, I think, and they were on sale, so I bought one for each girl, so that'd be cute. I can't even put it on because look, you guys, my braids. So we're just gonna like place it in a photo or maybe hold it or something, like I don't know, but whatever, we'll see. So I'm gonna give that to the girls. Yeah, I'm gonna go in their room real quick, finish my wine, and time to start this birthday weekend. Woo-woo. Fellas, you guys, it's super Spanish vibes. Look out here, so freaking pretty, so freaking pretty, so cute. Look at that view. So look at that view. They do? Okay, I'm gonna get one. Oh, they got swim up bar. Oh, right there, look, a swim up bar.
Oh, that's perfect.
Bathing suit, and then this cover up. So I think it's cute. All of this is from Fashion Nova. Both of these, the swimsuit and the cover up. So yeah, we're about to go get something to eat. So see you guys later. I'm feeling my hair. I'll put the Instagram link or the girl that did my hair, her Instagram page in the description box. She's in Phoenix. What'd she say? What did you say?
Where we just were.
Where?
By the why did you take her for this then?
This is what she told us. She goes,
No, I'm saying I didn't want to put makeup on. That's her excuse. That's what I was insinuating.
so long to get ready.
You hear this? No, I was saying I never put makeup on.
I know it is kind of hard to put makeup on vacation. But you do it. You know what I'm saying? So I just came back in my room and look how cute. Oh, it's a little dolphin or a whale. I don't know which one it is. He's so cute though.
We're just talking. She's like, oh, I'm actually her sportician. I was like, oh my god. Should have picked her brain. I did. It's no good. What? Serenades make it work? Well, obviously.
Well, if somebody else asks us that. Welcome. Oh, it's this one, y'all. This one. The big one behind this.
Oh.
This one with the nets.
Okay.
Oh, I like it. And the net. Look, we're gonna get some cute picture.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
You lit. It's your vibe too, Jazz. Mario Party. On this tequila sunrise?
This one.
Yep, that's what I want. Thank you.
Watch your step, please.
Thank you.
Welcome aboard.
You guys want to sit in the corner so you can see the... Where's the best angle?
Yeah, and then we'll get on the net.
Okay. Here?
Right here?
Oh, I love pretzels.
Woo, I like
I
it.
love this vibe right now.
So,
Grown and sexy vibe? Ashley in there? Yep. It's a video. So, I am tired of YouTube.
Salud.
Cheers. That's all I gotta say.